Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Dualsense Edge is updated and Fortnite is current. Connect via USB-C to the console or PC to avoid pairing hiccups. This creates a stable baseline. Once done, power on Fortnite and confirm the controller is recognized in system input settings. Make sure to enable controller support inside Fortnite settings so inputs map correctly. While charging, you can preview button layout options in the Dualsense Edge accessory app to prepare your preferred remaps. Now you'll configure precise mappings and sensitivity. Open the Dualsense Edge app and create a new Fortnite profile. Map the paddles to common actions like jump, build, or edit so your thumbs stay on sticks. Adjust stick sensitivity and dead zone to reduce drift, but keep responsiveness for builds and aim. Modify trigger travel and set hair trigger on R2 for faster firing. Once the profile feels right, save it to the controller's internal memory so you can switch profiles instantly during matches. Finish by testing settings in a creative or warm-up match to validate builds, edits, and aim. Tweak Fortnite's in-game sensitivity and aim assist to mesh with your controller profile. Small adjustments matter. If you see input lag or unexpected button behavior, switch to wired mode, reflash the Dualsense Edge firmware, or perform a controller reset and reassign the profile. Make backups of your profiles in the app and label them clearly so you can load the best configuration instantly for different playstyles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.